Hello guys, my name is JB Dan. Today I will show you how to make a custom background, custom HTML background with CSS. As you can see here, this is an example of a custom HTML background with a CSS. As you can see here, it looks like this. It can also have gradients, which I will show you. Now, to get started, create your folder for your HTML file project. Create a file. Name it whatever you want. Change the file name extension from .txt to .html. Now, as you can see here, in order to do that, for Windows 11, you can just view the option. View, show, take the option right here, check hidden items, and check two file name extensions, hidden items and file name extensions. The reason why I tell you to check the hidden files is because basically some of the HTML component might be hidden, but I don't know. For Windows 10 users and below, there is an option to view like this, and you will see the option to view file name extension. As you can see here, to edit your HTML website, you need to have a text editor. You can use Notepad pre-built in for Windows, or you can use a Atom.io right here, Notepad++, and Notepad++ here. In this tutorial, we are going to use Notepad++. Now drag and drop your HTML website to your Notepad and begin editing the code. We are going to add a body tag and a header tag. There we go. Now, as you can see here, paste the code between the header tag. There we go. Looks like I'm missing something. As you can see here, this is the code that you need. This one you don't need this. All you need is this code right here. This is the link tag. Now you need to create your CSS file. Same goes to color. As you can see here, we are going to head over to my website. Go to the CSS gradient site. I will show you here, cssgradient.io. If you still don't get what I'm saying, it's css.gradient. This website URL right here, quite simple to remember. Type it yourself. I don't want to give any more instruction. As you can see here, this website is self-provide, a great way to create a gradient. You can add more gradient into it. You can delete gradients like so. Now as you can see here, let's fetch their preset instead. Now go to your color.css, I mean color CSS. Save your CSS file, and then you can go ahead and run your HTML file. Oh wait, I made a bug. Hey guys, it turns out I have a mistake in the naming. Yes, so as you can see here in the link tag, your your CSS file name must be correct. Oh wait a minute. It turns out I have missed some code to make my gradient work. As you can see here, it turns out the code that I have deleted right here is necessary. If not, this will happen. Or I just made a typo, whatever. Turns out you don't add the dots. You just go ahead and type the body instead. And that's basically it. That's basically how you create a custom CSS background, also with gradients on it. If you like this video, please subscribe, like and comment. Thanks for watching, and I will see you in the next video. Goodbye.